Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a jQuery tutorial on freeCodeCamp. On the previous lines of jQuery, we targeted an element, just the name of the element. And for the second one, we selected the class. And now we can also select IDs as well. And the syntax for selecting IDs is that we do the $, parentheses, quotations, and then the hashtag symbol indicates that it's an ID. So for this exercise, we want to do it for, what are we going to do it for? With the ID of target 6. Okay, actually, we're doing it for target 3. So we can just copy this line of code, this signal that is identifying target 3. Let's look at target 3 first, will be this, just to make sure, yes, this target. And then we want to add the class, dot add class, and the class we're adding to is animated and fade out. Animated space fade out. Then we do a semicolon and we see how that animation was added. And that'll be it for this one. Thank you so much.